video, we're going to be talking about the top 5 features of Android 12. So Android 12 is the new update that is coming out this year. Like you guys know that, and let me just tell you this is like the most visually updated Android updates we have seen in years. Like everything is changing. Like when I say everything is changing. The first thing I'm going to be talking about is the optimization. So this optimization, it catches up to iOS in this case. Like it actually catches up because it's so smooth, it's nice. And think about it, if your device uses like 120 Hz to 90 Hz refresh rates, you're going to feel it even more because everything is just so smooth and fast. So Google, good job on optimizing Android 12. Next is the new look of widgets. So let's just say when Apple released iOS 14 and everybody started playing with widgets, we can say that the widgets on Apple looks better than how they looked on Android, even though Android had it for years. But right now with this Android 12 new look widgets, the widgets are like, you have a new widgets picker, everything. The widgets look so nice. Like you can't get the new widgets on the beta 2, but from what Google showed on stage, like that, the widgets are beautiful. So yeah. And number 3 is the new privacy settings. So they've added this feature that if an app is using your microphone or your camera, you are going to see it. It's a big icon. You'll see either the microphone logo or the camera logo. Yes, we know Apple introduced it last year in the iOS 14, but on Android it's a lot more bigger. Even though it's green for both microphone and camera, you can tap it and it will easily take you inside privacy settings, and you can change your settings from there, disable the app and things like that. And also in privacy, you can disable all your apps from using your mic and camera. Like maybe you just want to say something that you don't want anybody to hear, but if you want to say something that you don't want anybody to hear, why say it? Like think about that. But it's a feature you can use. Like just, yes, a feature. And when apps are asking for your location, you can decide to give them the approximate location, like the area you are, or you can decide to give them the precise location. So giving the precise location will make sense if you are using apps like maps and things like that. But apps like Instagram, no, I can't do that, because let's just say Facebook, any Facebook app, they are constantly watching you. I can search for something right now on my phone, then next I'll be seeing the ads on Instagram. Like how? I just wanted to check the price of this, but like, so let's not move into another direction. I'm just saying that it's better you just give like the approximate location, or don't give them your location at all. But for maps, precise location is actually the new way, or let's say the best way to go. Yeah. Other number 4 is the new quick settings. So we have new quick settings in Android 12, and like they look good. Let's just say when you swipe down and you see your notifications, you swipe down again and you see all your quick settings, different things you can add, quick settings. So let's just say Android 12 is looking very nice. Like Android users out there, you are going to enjoy Android 12. Yeah, let's just put that out there. You are going to enjoy Android 12. So last but not the least, which is the best, most important feature, is Material You. So basically, you can already customize your Android to however you like it. Like when I say however you like it, in this sense, Google is giving you the chance to change it even more. Just make it your phone. You can change the accents, colors, like the wallpaper too. If you have a wallpaper, it's smart enough to know that okay, this wallpaper, so it's going to blend the time and everything to just fit your wallpaper. Swipe down, you see your accents, colors. So basically, it's called the Material You. It's for you. You do what you want. You just design Android the way you want. And thinking about that, that's a really nice feature to have. But everything you have seen on screen is for the Google Pixel 5. This is how it will look on stock Android. But I'm just telling you this because Samsung has One UI and OnePlus has Osagie-Erese. So it depends on how they are going to implement Android 12 in their own phones, you get. But looking at the Pixel, I need a Pixel because like wow, this is just so beautiful. So yes guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, and if you want me to do like a better video talking about the new iOS 15 features, let me know and I'll do it. So thank you guys, and I'll catch you in the next video.